stay here for days.
I know, it's awesome. The beach, the walks on the beach is awesome. We actually cooked out last night.
No.
Had a little private area over here in the grass.
That was smart of you to say pull over here where we weren't around all the people, because we could stay a little bit longer today and enjoy it without having people pull in all around us. And
I agree.
it's been a joy. But another hour north of here is the very northernmost point in PEI. And there's a lighthouse there.
All right. So that's where we're headed today.
So we saw the Stomping Tom theater back there, and our friends Mike and Kathy said we should go there. I couldn't find it before, but we did find it. So we pulled off the road to try to figure out if it's something we want to do right now and when we should do it. Looks like we got to kill maybe an hour before we can actually go to one of their performances. Saw this dirt road, and well, the rest is, we won't know if it's history or not until we get out here to the end, but pretty sure that's going to end up right on the coast again. I gotta say, thumbs up. This one isn't on iOverlander or anything else, but we just continued down a dirt road, and it ended up with a beach access road that has a little place back here that we can park. I don't know, this looks like change of plans. This may be home. Sometimes your main purpose in life is just to provide shade for your pup dog.
What you doing in the red mud, Maggie? It's not mud, it's just dirt. You ready to come in? Come on, let's go. We're gonna go.
Kidding Maggie, she loves this spot.
Come here, bud. Maggie.
I don't want to, Mommy.
Maggie,
Think we're home, Mommy.
come on.
Good girl.
Come on, you can go.
Crap. You can lay on Mama's lap.
We're pretty excited about this spot.
This is an awesome find right here.
Yeah.
I think it's good enough to change our plans.
From Charlottetown or from Summerside, loads them up for the big long ride. Hops and cabins on the Fridays and days. Nova Scotia, Cape Breton, Newfoundland and Labrador. Come closer, East Coaster, I'll sing you some more. Yes, come closer, East Coaster, I'll sing you some more.
So, Mike and Kathy, thanks for suggesting that. It wasn't what we planned to do today, but,
No, but
geez, that was awesome. That was really, really
they have
fun.
free music from 1 to 10.
1 to 2.
1 to 2. So it's
Yeah.
Stomping Tom Center.
Yeah.
And they have a dinner theater. I guess it's
Every night from 7 to 9.
Right, and it includes a meal.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if we'll come back here tonight or not.
Yeah.
But,
Me either, but when we woke up, we certainly didn't think we were going to be going to a music concert at lunch today.
But it was awesome. The music was awesome.
It was a good way to get used to this music that's so famous here too, and they have their own style of music. It's really, really
Stomping
cool.
Tom is, a legend
Extremely.
here.
Yeah, he has one song about hockey that they said that there's not a hockey rink in all of Canada that has never played that song.
Yeah, that doesn't play that song.
Oh, I'm the game is the best thing you can name, and the best thing you can name. Here's the good old hockey game. I'm gonna stop. You keep going. You're doing great. All right, second period now.
From the pros all the way to the little kids have played that song at one point.
Yeah,
So
and it's, you know, it's the kind of listening to the songs and the guys talk about them and stuff. It's definitely a good learning experience on learning who he was and a little bit about his life and why he's such a legend. So,
all right, I think we're going to ride out to North Point now and see the lighthouse out there, the furthest, the most northern point lighthouse. So this is where we originally were going to pick as a boondocking spot for tonight. We didn't even know about the other one. We may still end up staying here. This is beautiful up here, but that other spot is extremely pretty. So we'll have to wait till we get to the end of this road to see if it's where we want to stay. But it sure looks pretty already. This is definitely a spot you could stay right here.
yeah.
Man, oh man. Okay, this place is absolutely beautiful, and if you need a place to boondock, there are lots of spots here. But had we not found the other place, I think we would be so happy with this. But we've decided the other place wins.
Yeah, I think so.
Off we go to that other spot that we found. A little bit of a clearance issue to get out of here, but I think we'll make it. Up on 3 tires. Well, front tire came off the ground, but all was good.
Yeah.
She crawls. Okay, off to the other place. Well, someone's down there. Back to the other spot. All right. Well, we weren't too upset with the other choice anyway.
No, we're not. And they're really close together, so it's not that big a deal.
Turn right onto Joseph
Not that
Shane
far.
Road.
Only like 5 minutes away.
So there are a lot of good things about boondocking that we both absolutely love. But that's one of the things that you have to be willing to put up with. Is you have to have like the choice 1, choice 2, and choice 3 maybe picked out, because you never know when someone's going to be in that spot when you get there. So
That spot wasn't big enough for 2
it
people.
wasn't. So you can't make reservations, obviously. So you're just playing it by the seat of your pants. And, oh well. Are we ever going to make up our minds?
I don't know. We're back and forth.
Yeah.
So we came back to the first place and we picked out a place we were going to park, and there's like 30
Broken beer bottles. And
broken beer bottles, about 30 shotgun shells, and
some guy keeps driving back and forth. And remember, we told you before, we feel safest doing this, but the reason we do is you kind of have to trust your gut. And our gut's kind of telling us that
if I hadn't have
this
seen
might
those
not be the safest place to stay.
if I hadn't have seen the shotgun shells, I'd have been okay.
Yeah.
Seeing those kind of, and they're, you know, look like some of them are old, but it looked like a lot
Some
of
of them were new.
Some of them were new. So.
Yeah, so anyway, and then dummy me have to back up and pull forward, and whew,
Yeah.
that was a.
He went on straight when he didn't know if there was a way out. So.
And I didn't want to back up beside of that, 300-foot cliff. So. Whew.
So we went to a dead end. Now he's got to turn around with a sheer cliff on one side. My heart's beeping fast.
Back I can go.
Okay,
Okay, means what?
go. Come on back. You're good. Come on.
Keep going.
Keep going. Okay. Stop.
You can see that deer out this back camera.
I'm sure. Your tires aren't off the road at all. It's just the bike.
Bikes are okay.
The bikes are okay.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop. I think if you, one more time, I think you might have it. You're good.
That's pretty cool.
Holy crap. You got there.
It's been a day, hasn't it?
It's been a day. This is.
I still ain't got my nap yet. I think we decided to go back to the place we found and just pull down there and see if we can just park close to where the people are, and when they leave, we'll get comfortable. How's that for a plan?
I don't think so, because there's no way you can turn around down there if like they're camping. There's no way.
Don't tell me. I just turned around right beside of a 300-foot cliff. If there's somebody there, we'll go to where they're doing the fishing tournament and see if maybe there's a place to park down there.
Sounds like a plan.
So this view being on the cliff, spectacular. And it's kind of strange. You come out of the Ekko and there's a big windmill just like right here. And the sun's going down over there. We're gonna walk over and see if we can see the sunset.